sasabog dito, di ba? Turn on ko na yung power supply, ah. Grabe naman. Ito na, nakikita nyo, no? Galax.com. Siyempre, titignan pa rin natin. Hindi, joke lang. Instruction manuals. Tatabi lang natin yan. Mahal pa rin yan. Hindi mo natin lalabas sa mismong lalagyanan, guys, ah. Mamaya, sa susunod na lang. All the parts. Not only that, but we're also going to build today. I don't know. These are all the parts. We got our G403, the B450, surveillance hard drive, the Galaxy RTX, a Ryzen CPU, A data, and the RAM. So I'm gonna fix all of those first, take some pictures of them with some B-roll, and then we're gonna stream. Stream. So yeah, I'm at 5. Oh, wait lang. I have to record as well. I-move ko muna tong camera backwards. Alright? Yo, Sir Galaxy, welcome to stream. But, tawasag natin yung tripod. Nani? Nani? We're building something today, boys and girls. I'm so excited for this one. Superman, is that you? I'm not Superman, but I'm pretty sure we can build one. It's already 3 p.m. I was deciding to make a stream earlier, but guys, to all the people right here. So for our CPU, I'm going for the Ryzen 3600. For the motherboard, we went for the B450 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi. 3rd gen Ryzen compatible, and it also has its own Wi-Fi antenna rin ata. I think there's one in the box, and Bluetooth built-in sa board. Thank you so much. Blessed up. I am so blessed. Like, I'm really blessed. But moving on, RAM, of course, we have the Aorus RGB memory. It's a 2x8 kasi it has to be dual channel. Kasi apat naman yung slots na motherboard, so it's capable of having 4x8, so it's gonna be 32. And it also is a 3600 megahertz RAM. So yeah, look at your face. Ooh, super happy. I am extremely happy. Guys, wala pa tong ligo na. Pansin nyo naman yung damit natin ngayon, yun pa rin yung kagabi. Kasi yung last few parts dumating ngayong umaga. Actually, 2 beses pa dumating. Our SSD is a 480 gig A data SU630 terabytes Skyhawk. Though surveillance hard drive siya, it is. So I checked, it was supposed to be for video. Pero yun nga, hindi pa ako sure if okay yung games dito sa hard drive na to specifically. So I might still use my old hard drive muna. For our power supply, it's quite an overkill. This is going to last me forever. basically 850 ano siya, EVGA Supernova 850 watts Gold Plus. But yeah, it's basically an overkill. It has a 10-year warranty. Uy, muntik na natin ma-drop. For our graphics card, it is an RTX 2060. But yeah, we're having a Galaxy RTX 2060. And sana lahat ng parts gumagana. Like I hope everything works fine. Kumikidlat guys, which is kinakabahan ako kasi lagi nagbabrown out dito sa place namin. So sana hindi mag-brown out. Our case is a NZXT H510 with 2 fans included na sa box. So I was able to build PCs before, pero hindi siya ganito ka high-end. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Add more RGB for more FPS. Actually, I'm not into RGB too much. You guys wouldn't ask. Mamaya natin ipipil to. But this is the case. By the way, shout out to Ange for the tripod. Kasi basically a tempered glass, so ingatan natin to. Yes. Superman Pinoy version. Sana nga kaso wala tayong muscles eh. We're just skinny. Fat lang meron tayo, fat. And for the bonus, we're gonna be having our mouse. Mukhang vlog tignan, di ba? Anyway. Ooh. Wala tayong GoPro like Henry Cavill. Oh, please be satisfied. Oh, that's a peel. That is a peel. I don't even know. So they still come in a disc if you have a disc. Pero in this age, very rare na ang disc natin. So it's fine. Okay, we've dropped the disc. We can read the manuals. Of course, we have all this. If we need any more guides, we can read it later. But we're gonna be installing our CPU. We don't want to drop this. Chine-check ko lang saglit guys if there's any vent pins. Which, by the way, I don't see any. I don't want to break this. This is the most, this is the pinaka-fragile. Alright? First, let's lift the retention arm. Yes, sir. So after lifting the retention arm, make sure it's open. And then tatapat natin yung golden triangle dun sa triangle niya sa motherboard. Just like this. Now we can just let it go, let it sit on its area. Yes, without any pressure. Again guys, be gentle in placing the CPU. You can touch it 4 sides just to make sure it's flushed. Parang tutorial video, no? And then now we can just pull the retention arm down, then it locks in place. Okay, we got our CPU installed. Now we have to have the cooler, but before that we have to unscrew the 4 screws holding the brackets. So again, this is a dual channel, so for motherboards like this, you want it to be the farthest from the CPU itself. So we're gonna be, tapos kailangan hindi sila hindi dapat sila nakalagay sa both Of course, you wanna check this, yung notch niya, and then yun yung isasakto mo sa motherboard right here. So we're not gonna be having any problems installing it. So now just push down firmly until you click or hear the 2 clicks, like click, push. You don't have to be gentle too much. Sarap sa ears no click. Sorry guys if I can't parang kasi yung tablet. Replacing the graphics card, and that's it. I'm gonna take my parts off. But then one boot and we're good. I just wanna see it boot. Ooh, satisfying. Wala naman sasabog dito, di ba? Turn on ko na yung power supply, ah. Nothing happened. Oh! Oh! Fans are spinning. The RAM, oh! The motherboard, my error. Okay, let's let it initialize. May error tayong isa. We have a light, we have a light. We have a light, we have a life. Taking the second try. What is the error? Do we have a BIOS? I am not seeing any BIOS. I am seeing a red LED sa motherboard. We might have an error. Oh! Oy! We have a BIOS. We don't have a keyboard. Reboot and select proper boot device. It works! Gumagana! Yay! Boot device. Ready to install Windows after no stream. We got our bootable disk. The fans are spinning. First try. First speech na please. Another 3 hours to set up the whole setup again. Thank you to my mom's mind. Nakuha ko yung pagbibuild ng PC sa kanya. Anyway, I will be ending the stream here. Bless up. I am so blessed. I am extremely blessed. Guys, thank you to everyone who helped me get this computer. To all the people who have supported me since day zero, basically my parents, basically him, and salamat sa lahat ng tumulong kay Alan Bless Up. Yes, God bless you all guys who have helped me, shared, like, supported my streams. Congrats bro, you deserve all this, keep it up. Thank you Abe, thank you. Of course to Chaz, and of course to our top 2-star senders, which is Danny Desana, All Roads, and Ange for the ring light. Guys, balik ako mamaya, mga 3 hours from now.
Uy! Diyan ka pala. Nandiyan pala kayo. Anyways, my name is Alan, and alam ko patapos na yung video pero I just wanna explain some stuff. I know it's been quite some time since I've last uploaded a video. But before talking continuously, sorry if medyo weird pa yung itsura ko and yung salita ko. Napuyat tayo sa stream kagabi. Medyo wala tayong boses of course, speaking sa stream. And kakagising na natin at nagkakamit pa tayo. Alright? Anyway, my explanation is, ang tagal ko hindi nag-upload ng YouTube video, and I know that, and this one is quite weird because my old videos were like reacting / challenge content / talking about someone, ganun type of content, and of course talking about, and we can't talk about more stuff anymore. We're gonna continue what I actually like to do, talk about technology. I don't know if you guys are interested, but of course I'll have my personal self parang connected to that stuff. Anyway, more unboxing videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. This is basically a video of me re-recording my stream, reuse it in a video kasi nga, this is my explanation, alright? Kung napansin nyo, maraming black parts sa video, tapos meron na white text na nag-explain. Well, I've lost all of my clips. Long story short, let's just say na-reformat 3 times yung aking hard drive, so I'm unable to recover my files except for my note files. Anyways, there's more video coming out about this. Pero if you guys are asking, paano naman yung performance? What was like the jump from your old system to the new one? That one right there is a beast. By the way, I usually have the RGB off in the morning. But yung performance, I am an editor. So, sa mga 3D stuff ko, I use Cinema 4D, and meron kasi siyang sarili yung benchmark kind of thing. So, Cinebench R20. Doon sa old system ko, my score is 600 to 800. In this particular computer or in this particular machine now, my score in that program is 3,500 to 3,600. That's a very big gap. Just trust me, that's a very big gap. If you're an editor, alam mo kung gaano kabilis yun. Anyways, so of course, before ending this video, I want to thank a lot of peeps. Alright, firstly, everyone who have supported me since day zero, basically him, and then my parents, my mom and dad, family, supporting me on what I like to do, love to do, of course, editing, gaming, doing vlogs even. Of course, to all my viewers, followers, likers, sharers, special mention sa ating mga star sender, mga tip sender, mga or donos, and then special mention sa nagturo sa akin ng mga basic editing sa Photoshop dati, si Rasterize/Scriptwise/Ian, and then of course, kila Mac for always playing, sila Knox, sila Dux, kahit na bihira ka na sila makalaro. I don't know, they got me into more of try-hard gameplay. And of course, the La Catedral, shoutout sa La Catedral, shoutout sa mga klasikong always dropping by the stream. Of course, to the Tiger Cubs, kila Tiger Ape, and kila Yanward, pushing me to do streaming again and do a lot of gaming content. And of course, without the Cubs, I wouldn't make the connections will build part of my community. And very big thanks again to Abe for basically helping me become more of a streamer than just a gamer na streaming. Magkaiba ang gameplay sa streaming, trust me. And they taught me that. And yeah, the mga tao nagsusupport sa akin, thank you guys so much for dropping by and just hanging out, interacting in my streams, or even sa comments na sa YouTube. And hopefully you guys would expect more videos from me and to continue support my videos basically. But yeah, I would end the video here. Yeah, more content. Anyways, I'll drop a little promotion vid in this video and hopefully you guys would like it. Last na talaga yun, tapos end na ng video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Alan Avila. I go by the name Bear, so visit my Facebook page at Hey guys, my name is Alan and I go by the name Bear. I do a lot of gameplay, content creation, and of course interactions in my stream. I usually play Battle Royale and FPS type of games.
Can I win? Yo! Yes!
I would love to see you all dropping by my stream, watch me play, interact in the comments, and see you guys there in my stream.